Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Talks. Here I will be going to share some of my personal experiences of stock market journey, the mistakes and huge losses I have made when I was new to the market, how I overcome those losses and became profitable. Also, I'll be sharing some of videos for educational purpose. So people who are seeking help out there for market information will definitely get benefited from this channel. So without wasting much time, let's go to our today's topic. Things you must avoid when we are new to the market. So guys, what happened when we are new to the market? We don't have much knowledge about market. Some people do not even know what is Nifty, Bank Nifty, options, future, and etc. etc. And even the people who have spent 6 months or 1 year to the market are unable to figure out or pick up the stocks for trading or investment purpose just because lack of basic knowledge of the market. And what we try to do is we just go for some random YouTube videos, try to learn little things, and just try to trade on basis of those knowledge. And this half knowledge lead us to huge losses in our initial phase of the market. And we start regretting like it was better if we had not entered to the market. And this happens to the most of the people. And after losing the money, what we do is we just try to go for some sort of shortcuts, and we are trying to find somebody who will help us to recover our losses, because our tendency is like we do not wanted to earn money from market now. We just wanted to recover our hard-earned money which we have lost to the market. And here comes the biggest trap of the stock market community, which is telegram channels and tips providers. These toxic guys know very well that our need and our greed will definitely take us to their channels, and we do actually. And after following their channel for a few months, we start trade on their signals. And you know what, we earn money for consistent for 3 to 5 days. Like suppose example, I'll give thousand rupees per day, and we earn the money consistent for 3 5 days. But I tell you guys, we definitely lose almost double the money what we have earned from their past signals in a single day. And this happens actually. This was happened to me as well. So this is the reality we are not trying to accept, because we have blind faith on their signals that one day we will be able to recover our losses, but this never happens. And this is how it works. But what I suggest you guys, at least try to gain very basic knowledge of the stock market, like supports and resistance. How can you find support and resistance? By following little small indicators or basic indicators. How to create a channel patterns, how to analyze volume charts, what is price action. Even if you are able to learn this much of the things, you are definitely easily able to pick stocks for trading or investment purpose, guys. So please try to gain a little knowledge, because it is not a rocket science. It is just a game of your psychology and regular practices, and your practice will only take you to make a great career into this, or a great wealth in the stock market. So second thing I would like to tell is future and option trading. Well, this is something which has very big potential of making huge money in very short period of the time, but it has a potential to take us on a roads too. So please make wise decision and avoid future and option trading unless and until you have very good experience of the market, at least 3 to 5 years, so that you can make good predictions on future and options. Because this is the well of death. Once you enter, it is very difficult to come out of, even if you are making continuous loss day on day. And there are very big players here with the capital of 100 and 1000 of the crore who are waiting to hunt you guys. So please avoid making future option trade in your initial days. Gain some knowledge, and then you can try in future option trading as well. Third thing you should avoid is trading for the big numbers. You may have seen some of the people out there are trying to show off the screenshots like they are making 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh a day with a very little capital. But please do not fall into their trap. These are the people who are not making profit for consistency. Or just on a random day, these people are making the profit like 1 lakh or 2 lakh, or just by luck. You may have know that on some particular events, we buy two option, or we do hedge, like we buy one call option, one put option, and as per the sentiments, that particular option go beyond our expectations and we may able to make profit. So please avoid this kind of the mindset, because this lead us to very dangerous path, and we start think like I'll making 1 lakh or 50,000 a day, but this never happens. What you can do, just try to think for some particular percentages, that I have 1 year in my hand, I have 1 lakh of the capital. So what you can think, I'll be making 50% money in a year, so that you will able to figure out on daily basis how much percentage of profit you want. And if you decide like that, that 0.25 to 0.3% of the profit daily is not a very big deal. Even on a regular basis, even market is volatile or consolidating at particular levels, most of the stocks are 0.5 to 1% up or down, so you can easily make a good money out of that. What you need is just a good knowledge and good trading practice. So just follow your trades, try to make strategies on your own, try to follow, because even if you lose money on your trades, it is always better, because you will get to learn some basic things. So you will able to realize the mistakes what you are doing, and day by day, step by step, you will able to make a perfect strategies for yourself, and you will definitely get benefited from that, and you will able to make consistent profit from the market. So this is all about this video. So if you guys like this video, please do not forget to like this video, and do not forget to share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video patiently.